Hello and welcome. Greg here from Jaguar Crewe, bringing you this amazing looking Jaguar F-Type Cabriolet on this lovely sunny day here at Crewe. This particular example is the Jaguar F-Type R-Dynamic P450 model that is finished here in the beautiful Carpathian grey metallic colour. As one of our approved used vehicles, this vehicle benefits from minimum 12-month warranty and roadside assistance, along with 7-day driveway insurance, so you can buy it today with complete peace of mind on offer. This model also comes with a number of optional extras, such as these 20-inch gloss black finish alloy wheels, black pack, red brake calipers, blind spot assist, as well as extended leather upgrade and climate pack 1. These gloss black alloy wheels look absolutely gorgeous and provide a beautiful contrast against the Carpathian grey colour. The black soft top adds to the overall look, and as one of my colleagues Rich will demonstrate for you in a moment, putting down the roof is an absolute beauty to watch. Electrically folding away and beautifully retracting, so you'd never know it was even there. Passenger can also enjoy a very nice interior cabin. The front seats will have been also upgraded with the Windsor Sports seats finished in this light oyster ivory look. Moving towards the rear, there's also a deployable sports spoiler for added downforce as well as quad exhaust pipes synonymous with the P450. Boot space provides plenty of storage space for suitcases for the weekend away, whilst the quick glimpse in the front cabin on the driver's side will reveal a premium offering in the form of a leather-wrapped sports steering wheel, as well as center armrests with an integrated headrest too. Those front seats are also electrically adjustable. I hope you enjoyed this brief 360-degree exterior tour of this Jaguar F-Type. Before we move inside the cabin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest stock and content. And if you enjoyed watching this particular video, why not give it a like now or leave us a comment or question in the section below. Once in the driver's seat of this Jaguar F-Type, it's a beautiful place to find yourself in. The cabin is beautifully crafted and designed and features lots of soft touch materials. Driver control panels will also operate your electric windows, as well as there is a MERIDIAN sound system on offer too. The multifunction steering wheel offers paddle shifts, as well as a heated steering wheel function, complementing the cruise control and speed limiter, whilst the left side will operate Bluetooth, radio stations and the trip computer. The interactive drive display IDD function is a beauty to use and look at. Offering full digital dashboard, it comes with bespoke drive modes such as rain, ice, snow mode for added grip, and there's also a dynamic mode for a more spirited, sportier drive. Additionally, what you're able to do is display various driver assistance modes such as city emergency braking, steering assist, and as well as driver conditioning mode. You can also change the display of the system here as well, displaying trip information, and also change the layout of the system itself. You can, for example, change it to a one-dial view, which will give you a smaller input and view of the sat-nav, or if you prefer, a full map with a widescreen view as well. Moving over to the center, you've also got these two air vents here with a large 10-inch Touch Pro infotainment system, which will have all your entertainment needs covered. For satellite navigation needs, you'll be happy to know there's full mapping for UK and Europe, with both 3D and 2D view modes supported. Full Bluetooth telephony and audio wireless media streaming is available, as well as your radio system will be benefiting from full AM, FM and DAB digital radio reception. Climate control system can be easily operated at a push of these buttons physically here, and depending on what option you choose and select, you can fully retract away and hide the center air vents. It adds to the overall beautiful design of the cabin, and you'd never know they were there. Other great features will incorporate the use of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone interfaces, and there's even a built-in web browser. The iDynamic mode will allow you to optimize the sporty feel of the car, whilst the rear parking camera will offer a wide-angle view mode, and it's fully complemented by front and rear audible and visual parking sensors. The upgraded Climate Pack 1 will give you the benefit of a 2-zone climate control system operated via the rotary dial, and by pushing the dial away from you, you can also operate the heated front seat function there too. Heated front windscreen is ideal for frosty mornings as well, and various driver control panels will allow for a more potent exhaust sound with a deployable dynamic spoiler that's operated there. 2 cup holders are also available, and the center armrest will offer decent storage with built-in USB chargers to ensure your device's battery is topped up. A large glove box is also great for storing items away from prying eyes. The overall design here is incredibly gorgeous to look at, and as you can see for yourself here from the driver's view, folding away the soft top is incredibly quick and easy as well. This has been a presentation of the Jaguar F-Type R-Dynamic P450 that is now available to view and test drive at our dealership, along with a range of flexible finance options. To find out more information about it, contact our friendly sales team today on 01270 864 386, or alternatively follow the link in the description below. Many thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and we look forward to hearing from you.